Hello, everybody. I want to do an original video. What makes you want to stay in the Matrix? What makes you want to be a white sheep? Me and my lady was talking about black sheep and white sheep. Conformity versus non-conformity. We're talking how Americans are easily brainwashed into conformity. People losing their rights, their free wills, and all that. I guess what caused me to be a black sheep, I guess trauma and tragic events. Like myself, I've been, bullied, I've been discriminated, I've been racially profiled, I've been beat up by cops. And I've been aware since I was a young dude and all that. But for those who just don't want to be a black sheep, those who white sheep that actually still plug into the matrix, why you is a white sheep? Why is you stuck in a machine? Why you don't question authority? You know, I'm having a conflict with this one. Sometimes I struggle being a black sheep. There's nobody to really relate to. And especially this is, well, the True Force Lonely video, I guess, in a way. Totally a True Force Lonely video. I just now followed it too. It's like, there's nobody you could really relate to, unless you become part of the machine. You just lose your whole self a sense. You lose your consciousness, Which that's funny, but so it kind of remind me and my lady named Goldie Bell, we were just talking about this so many times that we could never be white sheep if we wanted to. And that kind of like startled me actually. I did not know that she understands me. And I did tell the lady too, it's like, you're the only woman that actually is a deep thinker, like very outside the box, But besides just us two, what makes a person stay in the matrix? Be in the white sheep. That take the blue pill, Which is a heavy reference on Matrix the movie, How many people are still stuck in brainwash, That doesn't fight their programming. That doesn't become rebels, Which I kind of run. I was kind of like see myself as a quiet and silent rebel, I don't know. I just don't go blindly just follow the program. We're talking about, ironically, like politics and religion are controlling people. That's another form of brainwashing, How we was talking, for example, how she's like shocking me that I'm an atheist, especially in a strong religious stronghold where I'm at. And I did say this very profoundly too, and sad to say I don't actually fully announce I'm an atheist where I'm at. Not because I'm being dishonest or a lie or anything. For also for personal reason too, you could literally get face persecution. You can get harassed for being different. You know what I'm saying, or worse. In some cases, you can get physically assaulted. Because you're different in the programming. You're different in the expectations. Yes, this is a crazy picture. But why not try something different? Why, this, and I struggle with myself sometimes. Be thinking, what is it like to be a sheep? A white sheep. What is it to be part of the program, part of the herd? Part of the pack. Some say yourself for thinking this way. You should be proud that you got an individual. You should be proud that you're a wholly individualist. You should be proud you got your own identity. Yeah, but it doesn't seem like able to make friends. Doesn't seem I'm able to keep a job. Because I don't look like the program. I don't act like a program. I don't look like the sheep. I don't look like a stereotype, which that's part of the program. I mean, they're both sheep in the way between the black sheep and the white sheep. Bah, 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 bah. Yes, I blindly follow orders. And we see all that, how that happened. Nazi Germany by following damn blindly orders, or police officers. Oh yeah, police officers and military follow blindly. Don't even question the ethics or morals. They could, what happened? Say, dangerous scenario if the police and military turn on American public. Game over, basically. But anyways, though, something that's profound to me, though, and I won't go on for this video too long. Someone told me why I ain't part of the pack or part of the programming. Um, I'll be real with you though. I don't know. Maybe it's my maybe it could be a personality defect, like, or my upbringing that prevent me from being a tool or a brainwashed primate. You know what I'm saying? But I'm always literally curious. I think that because that's who that saves me. I'm always thinking. I'm always literally thinking that could be either good or bad. I think definitely overthinking. That kind of can, for me, that's very bad. And I kind of admit this too, but it kind of somehow prevents me from being a white sheep, you know, because I'm always a critical thinker at heart, you know. Some say, why you come out with this video of True Force Lonely video, The Matrix and all that? Because I don't know. I struggle at times, wonder what it's like to sell out and just be part of the machine, you know? Be part of the Matrix. Just to feel belong, to feel connected, you know? But some say, why are you craving for human connection? Maybe that's the whole thesis of my topics and all that. Never know what it's like to have a human connection, you know? Outside in, you know, social media, but then that's like the Matrix of itself. How you know you actually talking to people or you just face your own delusions, you know? How many people are facing dementia? How many people are facing anxiety, depression, and all that, you know, because maybe they don't fit among the gender's psychotic program, you know? I guess it's a difficult battle for itself, you know? What makes you a white sheep or a black sheep? That depends on, say, the person slash people, you know? I do feel like it's a darker agenda going on, dark programming going on to violate human rights. You know, saying human right violations. Like I was thinking, Elon Musk and Neuralink and all that, which is ironic. I put that in the video too. How many people are literally being, you know, controlled against their own will? You know, that's a new theory for me. How many people are intentionally or unintentionally being brainwashed? You know, let's say you go see a therapist, a psych doctor, and all that. You be forced to go to psych wards and all that. They control you by, I don't know, medicine, shock therapy, and all that. All kind of abuse, you know, psychological abuse, physical abuse. How many people just become downright drones? You know, drone bones. um, yeah. I do think of that sometimes where it's like, I guess, closing this video to be a sellout, to be a puppet. You know, that wants to be accepted, you know, long to be accepted, found love and all that. Let's be real. How many people are lonely in the Matrix, you know? Especially in the Western Matrix. How many people deep down inside want to be part of the pack, you know? Even Black Sheep kind of figured this too, you know, myself included. It hurts to admit this, you know. I'm probably gonna get nasty comment. Why you want to be part of the Matrix and part of the machine and all that? I'm just saying, just for years, you know, and I do kind of deep down. Actually, one guy was mentioning to you, deep down inside, you want to be part of the pack. Why are you fighting against your program? You know, I don't know. I guess that's it for now. Thank y'all for watching. Two Lonely videos in the Matrix. I'm out.